everyone, my name is Isabel Karan Chilkani. Wish you all happy Children's Day. Our first time at start, we public to so much for children. So it's birthday, number 14 to is celebrated children. It is the children are taken on later. Every year, children to be also with flowers. Children Day is celebrated to awareness about children and care and education. Thank you. Happy Children's Day. Studying in grade 1 theatre. Today is a special day for us. Every year we celebrate Children's Day on November 14 to honor the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of our India. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
My name is Ramcharan. I am from grade 6. Today I am here to tell about Children's Day. Children's Day is we celebrate Children's Day on 14 November. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru loves children very much. Children called Jawaharlal Nehru as Chacha Nehru. Thank you.
I'm studying in LKG Challenger. I wish you all happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Love you children very much. Thank you. Today is a special day for all of us because it's Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th every year in honor of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children deeply. Chacha Nehru was a popular nickname of Nehru. Thank you. My name is Alish Banazin. I am studying UKG Creators. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. First of all of you to happy Children's Day. The children of today make the India of tomorrow. Thank you.
My name is Ran Pasha. I am from grade 3 Creators. Happy Children's Day. Today honors of Jawaharlal Nehru, love for children. He was the first Prime Minister of India. On this day, always remember your uniqueness, cultivate kindness and compassion, grow with curiosity, learn with passion and inspire others. You are India's bright future. Thank you.
Children's Day to protecting their rights and providing them quality education and greeting them a world where they can thrive. Thank you.
Today honor Jawaharlal Nehru's love for children, follow his vision and learn, explore, question and innovate your potential. Is limitless. Shape India's future with courage, wisdom and heart. Thank you. Today's Children's Day, I am honored to speak to you believing in yourself because you are the capable of achieving greatness. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Your voice are wild.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Mohammad Rehan. I am from class 5 Challengers. Happy Children's Day to all. Now I want to say a few lines about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year, marking the birthday of our country's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who had a deep affection for children. The children also called him Chacha Nehru. Since 1948, the day, also known as Flower Day, has been observed with great enthusiasm to honor his memory. Thank you. I am studying in 5th Challengers. Happy Children's Day to all. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year. This day is also known as Flower Day. This day is celebrated on the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is also known as Chacha Nehru. He was a prominent leader and greatest freedom fighter. He fought for India's independence. Let us celebrate this day with happiness and enjoy it. Thank you.
A cheerful morning to everyone. This is Sai Pranita from 8th Creators. This is Apanta from Youth Creators. Today I am here to speak a few words about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India and a great leader. He is fondly called as Chacha Nehru by children. Once Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will become the India of tomorrow.
A wonderful morning to everyone. This is Hamska from 8th grade creators. Today we have gathered to celebrate Children's Day that shines the incredible spirit of and potential of every child. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th, marks the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved the children and believed that they are the future of our country. He once said that the children are the birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. I am wishing a wonderful Children's Day to everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Manam Palak. I am studying in UK Challenge. Good morning to the respected principal sir, my principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friend, and brothers and sisters. Very good morning to all. First of all, I wish you very happy Children's Day. I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about this special day we are celebrating Children's Day. It is birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved the children very much. It is day of enjoyment for children. This day reminds us of the rights of children. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. A very happy Children's Day to everyone. It is birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a great leader, Lord Children's Chacha Nehru by kids. Happy Children's Day. Thank you everyone. I studied in UKG Challenges. First was so fun. Happy Children's Day. Schools and conducted many programs. Once again, thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rohan. I am from 7th standard studying in Sri Chaitanya High School. Now I am going to tell about Children's Day. Today we gathered here to celebrate one of the most beautiful and joyful occasions of the year, Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day in India to raise awareness of the rights of education and Chacha Nehru was born on 14 November 1889. We celebrate Children's Day to tribute Chacha Nehru, and he was thank you.
Everyone, my name is Sumaida and I am studying in UKG Creators. Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14 November. Children are the future of any country. Thank you.
Today is 14 November. We are celebrating Children's Day. In the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, we celebrate Children's Day. He liked children very much. Children lovingly call him as Chacha Nehru. This day reminds that children are the future of the nation. Once again, I wish you happy Children's Day.
My name is Prana. I am studying in UKG Challenges. We are celebrating that Children's Day every year. It is one. We are celebrating that Children's Day every year. It is birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You are love children very much. You are first Prime Minister of India. Happy Children's Day, friends. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Nitya Sri from grade 6 creators. First of all, I wish you happy Children's Day to all. Today we gather here to celebrate Children's Day, which falls on 14 November, the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who had great affection for children and believed in their potential. The Children's Day is not just day of celebration but also time to reflect on the significance of children in society. Thank you.
Sadat Khan from 7th Creators. Today is 14 November, the Children's Day, a day which honors all of us, the children, and it is our dreams, creativity and hard work that will shape tomorrow. On this special day, let us remember that we all have right to love and get education, and we are so lucky to have teachers, families and friends who will support us in every step we take in our life. Let's promise to be kind, respectful and to do our best. Thank you. Happy Children's Day to all.
Welcome respected principals, teachers and my dear Children's Day. It is one of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He also known as Chacha Nehru. Once again, Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mohammad Tabret. I am from 7th grader. I am here to tell few lines about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated as tribute to Nehru. Nehru, fondly called Chacha Nehru, was born on November 14, 1889. He was known for his affection for kids. He also established Children's Film Society India in 1955 to create indigenous cinema exclusively for kids. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhika, studying in UKG Creators. The day marked the birth of Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Jahnavi and first of all I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. It is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Children slowly called him Chacha Nehru. This day reminds us that children are the future of the nation. So children should be raised with love and care. Children's Day is a very happy day for all the children. Myself Hartik, I am from Gates and Theatres. Today I am here to speak a few lines about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 1889, 14th November. He believed that children were the future of India and their prosperity was dependent on them. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Achya, I am from grade 7. So today I am here to speak a few lines about Children's Day. So first of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day to all. Children's Day is celebrated annually on November 14th to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was deeply fond of children. Fondly he called as Chacha Nehru. He believed that children were the future of the nation, and he emphasized the need to acknowledge the children's potential and their
Good morning to one and all. Myself Uzayb, I am from 6th graders. I am here to say a few words about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India and a great leader. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much and he is fondly called as Chacha Nehru. Because of his love for children, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. It is also called as Bal Divas. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Deekshita from grade 6 Creators. Today is 14th November. We are celebrating Children's Day. Today is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Children proudly called as Chacha Nehru. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Ananya. I am studying 6th graders. Now I am going to tell about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. I am studying LKG Challengers. A very happy Children's Day to everyone. We celebrate Children's Day. We on November 14. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is a great leader. First Prime Minister of India. He loved children a lot and was also called like Chacha Nehru by kids. I like this day a lot. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Viratri. I am studying in LKG Challenger. First I wish you happy Children's Day. It is also known as Balivan. This is a gift from Chacha Nehru for all children. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Wabegam. I am studying in LKG Creators. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. Children's Day is wonderful. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. My name is Purti. I am studying LKG Challenger. Wish you all happy Children's Day. Children's Day is 14th November. 14th November is birthday of our first Prime Minister. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today is special day for all of us. Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day in childhood, the beginning young. Happy Children's Day to all. Let us have fun, play games and make new friends. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank